So far, no, there have been no reports of Filipinos injured or deceased in the attacks.
Consul, how many Filipino workers are currently working or residing there in Saudi Arabia that are seeking help?
Right now, that number is not fixed at this point. We've only received a few queries about emergency repatriation. The bulk of requests that we've been receiving are those from stranded passengers. No? These are Filipinos who were scheduled to leave on final exit because their contracts have already expired, as well as those who are supposed to travel to the Philippines for vacation or to other destinations, and their flights were diverted to Riyadh. But as far as the total number of Filipinos in the kingdom are concerned, there are about 897,000. That's according to Saudi authorities as of 2024.